Pleasant morning, the beach, a small baby bird called sandpiper, takes a blissful bath in the seawater in the early morning between the stones laid to prevent sand erosion. A fisherman was nearby while I was taking this video. He said that while we were fishing in the sea, these species of birds would fly in flocks and sit on their boats. This tiny bird is bathing alone on the beach. This little bird suddenly stops bathing and flies away in fear. The reason why he was scared and ran away. A large dog noticed that this little bird was alone and came close to it. After noticing this little bird stopped bathing and ran away in fear. This little bird is looking for its food today, a little distance from the dog that chased it. In the early morning, when the light was a little less, the activity of this little bird and its search for food, and first the beautiful seawater, bath was wonderful to see. As the waves of seawater on the beach drive it away, so does it fly away. Its vision is to defend itself very carefully and patiently. The song heard in this video is a song played in a Christian church in the early morning hours nearby. This little bird is found alone on this beach. The reason for this is that the mother bird may have built a nest and laid eggs in the grass near this beach. Later, when the chicks are grown, the mother bird may go elsewhere in search of food. The 10 or 20-day-old baby bird may have previously come here with its mother and is exposed to danger by coming here alone while its mother went foraging. This video is hosted by Ganeshbalakrishnan. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Shutterpress. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.